comes the man, hot damn.
What's up? This is Jam, back with another beginner house dance tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do the sidewalk. So the sidewalk is another triple step move inside of house. All right, and we're going to be going side to side with this one. How we're gonna start this is, I'm gonna start my right leg, and I'm gonna be kicking it out, and at the same time I kick out, I'm gonna jump into this leg here, like this, okay? So I'm gonna go kick. From here, we're going 1. Now I take this leg, I'm gonna go step, step, all right? And that brings me back to the center. So when I go to this side, now I'm gonna jump on my right leg, and I'm gonna kick the left out here, kick, okay? Kick, step, step. So we go 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and, okay? So that's the footwork, and now we gotta always bring that groove into it, right? We're bringing in the jack. So the jack with this one is, we're emphasizing on that kick, all right? And that's where that jack is gonna go. So when I go into that kick, boom, I'm gonna have this into it. So I'm giving it that jack here, boom, ta, ta, boom, ta, boom, boom. Here, and a here, and a here, and a here, okay? And that's the sidewalk.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Now, if you want more training with the foundation of house dance, I have a class just for you inside of my membership here on YouTube, where I take you through a progression of all of the foundation. If you want to check that out, you can click the join button below. If this video has helped you, feel free to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.